Introducing Easyflex Tankless water heater kits. Hello, I'm Frank with Easyflex, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you to our Easyflex Tankless water heater kit. Easyflex's tankless water heater kits are designed to get you exactly what you need right out of the box. Who wants to be stuck at a job site because they don't have the correct parts for the job? I sure don't. Let's take a look at our Easyflex Tankless water heater kit. Our kit is equipped with a set of traditional ball isolation valves, one for hot water and the other for cold. These are 3/4 inch FIP threaded and made of lead-free brass. A pressure relief valve is also included. Next, we have our connectors. These two are water connectors, one for cold and the other one for hot. This yellow one here is a 3/4 inch gas connector that connects the tankless water heater to the gas source. Our connectors are available in different lengths to fit any job perfectly. Please note, we also offer a tankless water heater kit with Softurn ceramic disc isolation valves in lieu of the traditional ball valves. The Softurn isolation valves are made of ceramic discs so they last longer and don't get stuck over time. I hope this video has been helpful in learning about Easyflex's tankless water heater kits and how they make the job easier for contractors and homeowners. A link to our kits is in the video description, and if you still have questions, our support line is open during business hours. And for more Easyflex videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.